Nagmawir. Kumay kay nagmawir. Kaya aron pod mahayag-hayag ni nga way has ba.
I don't know the big lakes where they produce with a high electric for drinking water.
Oh no, nalimpilim nakuha na gyud na.
There are hills,
Kung din na lang nako siya ingnonoy para mo
all hills.
kuan ba mo magmawir. Ingnon di uri mo guno. Dito ning ko, Alfred,
The water project, they
the
plant
grass
today
now become high.
potatoes and all that.
Maybe you need to
Wonderful today.
work that for
I
that.
hear today the north is wonderful place today.
Ignorant niya.
For
Oh, you got a lot of plants.
it was a really.
That was long time ago te ay.
It's
I
a lot
ask me
now.
every time.
Kaya ako
when he
mabisbis.
was
Hala, swimming pool.
the language of Thailand.
Nag-swimming pool naman eh.
She came with 7 years to Switzerland.
Katong gi ano ni mo te gi kini kay natag raman eh. Sa friend
I
ra
will
namo.
call the family
Oh,
stepfather for him now. The son of the stepfather was in Italy. The same.
Yeah, so Marie is making some juice.
I have a friend in Thailand. He came out of the south of England. I didn't understand him.
Wow, you got a lot of
Until
meat.
he came out.
The lifestyle of Alfred.
Yeah, so they got a lot of meat. The freezer is full.
Mas Canada ani.
Right, and eggs.
But he spoke only die. And die, I could not understand it. And I learned one day.
In English, in America, between one place and another.
Yeah, so they got some plants here and it's growing now. So look at it, they got some eggplants and some okra there.
Across England in a few hours.
Yeah, so every day they need to harvest the okra because it's getting older.
Even going from north to south.
So it's pretty peaceful and beautiful. So
Yeah.
they're doing the
It's the same.
the mower
just a
on the
few hours.
grass. So
And yet,
it's
from
really
one
amazing
place to
garden.
another, they speak
The
totally
dogs are
different.
in heat.
Different way of speaking.
It's in Thailand the same. My Thai girl told me the people in the north I cannot understand.
Right?